Hi everyone, I am Rachna. I am the CEO of this company and our company is CAP Germany. This is my team. This is our head of the business, Mr. Anandu, and the chief information head is Mr. Abrar, and we have two project head, Bharat and Mr. Arun, and the trading head is Dharmapati. Back to the company. Our company is a family enterprise started in 1953, and the founder of the company is Martin Cap. And the headquarters is in Coburg. We produce and market gear cutting machine, plug gearing machine, and gearing tools, which are particularly used in automotive industry. About a third of the turnover is made in Germany and two-thirds in international operations. The main objective of our company is to standard for 100% made in Germany with facilitate and the service stay close to the customer and nevertheless at a home worldwide. And the current details about our company will be explained by Mr. Anand.
CAP Germany. It's a kind of mechanical gear manufacturing company. Now we are now going through the current process about it. By globally operating group of companies which high quality and economical solution for finishing the gears and other profiles and spare parts. And it's a partner for the companies from numerous industrial sectors in segments mobility, automation of energy. The perfect interaction between machines, tools, technologies enables extremely precise machinery to thousands of milestones. And by moving to the current business process that we employ more than 800 persons in both customized and small batch production with production sites in Germany as well as worldwide sales and service branches, and we are responsible and reliable in all major markets. The main consumers of our products are automotive, aerospace, and mechanical engineering companies. And the basic requirements in these companies are net software to allow the broadening of systems, broadening of product life, and shortening of product life cycles. Also to respond more sensitively to the market trends, and our primary goal is to achieve computer supported integrated handling to all business activities. And next, I invite the Chief Information Officer, Mr. Abrar Ahmed.
The SAP R3 we use is a real-time data processing software, and the Edition R3 is a client graphical user interface oriented software. SAP can fulfill the needs of the company like order fulfillment, billing, HRM, and production through the SAP R3 modules like SAP Financial Management, SAP Asset Management, SAP Consulting, and Material Management. The main benefits of SAP are it has high degree of integrity and adaptable to our business in all operational conditions. The SAP can ultimately satisfy the company's goal, that is to achieve computer-supported integrated handling of all business activities, mainly the operation through CAD and UNC. Next, I request the project heads, Mr. Bharat Kumar and Arun Kumar, to take over.
First, we implement R3 software to do the organizational change. Second, I will provide the roles to the X manager, process manager, re-engineering team, and scrutinize the committees for the building the opportunities to the re-engineering organization. Third, I found the opportunities of providing high degree of integrations of adaptability to its particulars, the borders and opportunities, conditions, and flexibility to expand it. Fourth, I have understood that existing process in 1985 followed the related database HP UNIX operating system and graphics user interfaces in CAM systems as technical applications.
And next, the fifth step is to re-engineering the process. We rearranging R3 software for boundary of product lines and shortening of product life cycle, and also to respond more sensitively to market trends. The primary goal was to achieve compute. The primary goal is to achieve more computer-supported, integrated handling for all the business activities. And the sixth is blueprint for new business system. The company being using the modules for financial accounting, asset management, controlling, and material marketing. In January 1994, R3 HR module became the next enhancement, and the final step is to perform the transformation. We done the performance by the help of the trainer. The training process will be explained by Sarvamurthy.
Yes, for the implementation of SAP R3 system, we are applying new software training because they can easily understand current market requirement. Next, arrange a new meeting for new software awareness of all employees. We will motivate the employee to adapt in the new work environment. We will achieve the privacy objective, that is to have computer supported integrated handling of all business activities.
Okay, so the system that we adopted early had failed to keep the pace with the growing need of our company. So we had adopted a new software called SAP R3, and it allows for broadening of product life and shortening the product life cycle, and also to respond the market trend. By implementation of SAP R3, we met the requirement perfectly. It helped us to expand.